Focus and not moving too much. You don't want to move too much. Maria, Daniel! Maria, Daniel, over here! Philomena! Philomena! There's Maria. Hey, Maria! Hi, Maria! Happy birthday! Philomena, Daniel! Philomena! Daniel! Daniel! Philomena! Look how Philomena drives, it's so natural. Say cheese, 1, 2, 3, cheese, Babusa. Happy birthday, Babusa.
Hey, Jonas, wait.
Maria's right here. Maria's there, Daniel there. That's it? Hi, Philomena! Aisley, wait, Aisley, watch out! Hi, Philomena. Hi, Daniel. Hi, Maria. How did you guys like it?
It was too like too short.
Philomena, how did you like it? You were driving very fast out there. I was watching you. How'd you like it?
The Matterhorn one more time. We're going to the Matterhorn one more time. Which one? Wait, what? Oh, we're going over there one more time. The Matterhorn. Let's go to Matterhorn.
Dad?
Matterhorn. What's the Matterhorn?